Welcome to Techmirror. Today we're counting down the 20 coolest car gadgets from AliExpress and Amazon for 2025. From smart tech to practical tools, these must-have car accessories will upgrade your driving experience, add convenience, and bring fun to your ride. Stay tuned to see them all. The Galphy Q2 Silver 4K dash cam delivers ultra-clear UHD 2160p recording with a 160 DCM wide-angle lens, ensuring reliable evidence in any situation. Its built-in 5G Wi-Fi enables fast video transfers via app, while loop recording and a G-sensor provide secure data storage. Compact, screen-free, and easy to install, it features Super Night Vision, 24-hour parking mode, and comes with a pre-installed 64GB card, supporting up to 256GB for extended recording. A discreet, reliable, and smart choice for every driver. The VCAN Active 1/4 digital torque wrench offers plus to a 2% accuracy with a wide range of 1.122.2 lb, making it perfect for bikes, motorcycles, gunsmithing, and automotive work. Its LED display with backlight ensures easy reading, while audio-visual alerts prevent over-tightening. Built from durable chrome molybdenum steel, it features peak and track modes, 10 presets, reversible ratchet, quick release, and a complete accessory set in a sturdy storage case. A professional-grade, versatile, and reliable tool for precision tasks. The Lysoglat Adjustable Retractable Truck Bed Extender expands your truck bed by 2 to 3 feet, making it perfect for hauling lumber, kayaks, ladders, or motorcycles securely. Built from powder-coated aluminum alloy with rugged construction, it ensures durability and stability. Compatible with most pickups, it features a foldable design, D-ring anchor hook, and multiple fixing points for safety. Easy to install with drilling, this extender offers practicality, strength, and reliability, backed by a 2-year warranty and lifetime customer service. The BYDA 4-in-1 Retractable Car Charger provides powerful 69-watt fast charging with USB Type-C power delivery, USB-A, and built-in retractable Lightning and USB Type-C cables. Its compact, rotatable design fits securely in 12-volt cigarette lighter sockets, while the 31-inch retractable cords keep your car organized. Compatible with iPhone 16, 15, 14, 13, and 12 series, Android, Pixel, and more, it ensures stable charging even on rough roads. With starry light indicators, broad compatibility, and an 18-month warranty, this charger is practical, versatile, and ideal for commuters or travelers. The Autogem 2014 to 2015 Chevy Silverado Grille Emblem combines a sleek chrome finish with vibrant RGB LED illumination for a bold, head-turning look. Featuring a unique startup sequence and a color-changing controller, it allows drivers to customize their style instantly. Built with injection-molded, UV-resistant, and chip-resistant materials, it ensures long-lasting performance. With chip-on-board LED technology, it delivers bright, smooth 6500K lighting. Easy plug-and-play installation through the fuse box makes this emblem both stylish and practical for Silverado owners. The Auxbeam RA80 8-gang switch panel is a versatile and durable control system for cars, boats, and RVs, supporting 12 to 24-volt DC accessories up to 60 amps. With 3 operation modes, toggle, momentary, and pulsed, it offers flexibility for lights, fans, stereos, and more. The RGB backlighting is dimmable and customizable, enhancing vehicle interiors while reducing glare. Built with IP65 waterproof protection, it ensures reliability in harsh conditions. Easy to install and backed by a 2-year warranty, this panel is practical and long-lasting. The Practisol 2025 upgraded summer cooling car seat cover offers 3-in-1 functionality with cooling, heating, and massage features for year-round comfort. Equipped with 16 high-speed fans and breathable mesh, it delivers rapid cooling within seconds, while dual-zone airflow ensures full back, hip, and thigh ventilation. The wire controller provides multiple fan speeds, temperature levels, and massage modes. Its secure installation system keeps it stable on any road, and the premium leather hybrid design protects seats while enhancing comfort. A universal 12-volt solution for all vehicles. The Trione Car tablet holder mount transforms backseat travel into entertainment by securely holding devices from 4.7 to 16.1 inches, including iPad, Galaxy Tab, Kindle Fire, and Nintendo Switch. With a 360-degree rotation and 75-degree tilt, it ensures the best viewing angle for one or multiple passengers. Built with a durable aluminum telescopic rod and ABS clamp, it stays stable even on rough roads. Easy to install without tools, it fits most car headrests and includes bonus hooks for added convenience. The Oasser Backseat Trunk Organizer is a practical and space-saving solution for car storage. Measuring 40 by 19 inches and made from durable 600D Oxford cloth, it features 6 large pockets, including mesh and PVC compartments, perfect for storing first aid kits, car supplies, and groceries. The foldable design with 3 adjustable straps keeps it securely in place on the seat back without sagging. Easy to install and remove, it maximizes trunk space while keeping your car organized and clutter-free. The Ikuby Blind Spot Convex car mirror is a smart upgrade for safer driving. Its frameless design blends seamlessly with your side mirror while providing a 3x larger rear-view image, improving visibility and reducing blind spots. Measuring 3 by 1.8 inches, it's ideal for sedans and regular cars. The outdoor-rated adhesive ensures secure mounting in all weather conditions, including car washes and cold climates. Easy to install, this affordable mirror enhances traffic safety and gives drivers more confidence on the road. The Nanpoku 60-inch triple-row tailgate light bar is a powerful upgrade for trucks, SUVs, and trailers. With 432 SMD LED chips, it delivers 300% brighter illumination than standard bars, enhancing rear visibility and safety. It supports full functions: running lights, brake lights, turn signals, reverse lights, and emergency flash. Waterproof with an IP67 rating, it withstands all weather conditions. Easy no-drill installation with a 4-pin connector makes it a convenient universal fit for most 12-volt vehicles. The Ikuby Medium Car Shelter is a durable, foldable, and lockable carport designed to protect your vehicle from the elements. Made with 800D Oxford fabric with PU coating, it is waterproof, UV-resistant, and windproof. The sturdy 170-pound framework ensures stability, while its quick, numbered assembly makes installation simple. Its sleek shell design adds a modern touch. Ideal for outdoor protection, it shields cars from sun, rain, frost, dust, hail, and scratches, offering reliable, all-weather vehicle safety. The GOYOJO digital torque wrench adapter delivers precise torque measurement with +2% clockwise and +2.5% counterclockwise accuracy. Ideal for automotive, motorcycle, and DIY projects. Its illuminated LCD display ensures easy reading, even in low light, and it allows switching between NM, LBF, FFT, LBF.in, and KGF.cm units. Made from durable chromium molybdenum steel, it includes 1,000 DINs 1/4 and 3 8D adapters for versatile use. Reliable, robust, and user-friendly, this torque adapter is perfect for both professional and home maintenance tasks. The PMB Key Headlight Restoration Kit effectively removes yellowing, haze, oxidation, scratches, and other damage, restoring headlights to a clear, like-new condition. The kit includes 200 ml of repair liquid, an atomizing cup, 6 sandpapers, emery board, and all necessary accessories for easy use. Its UV coating provides long-lasting protection against future oxidation. Quick drying and simple to apply, this kit saves money by avoiding headlight replacement, enhances visibility and safety, and is compatible with cars, motorcycles, trailers, and helmets. The KJOY 7-color LED car seat gap organizer is a multifunctional solution that keeps your car tidy while offering fast charging for multiple devices. With a 56W USB plus Type-C port and 66W cigarette lighter adapter, it powers iPhones, Androids, and other electronics quickly. The LED ambient light features 7 colors, 9 modes, and a memory function, creating a stylish in-car atmosphere. Its touch switch ensures durability, and the gap filler design prevents items from falling between seats, enhancing convenience and safety. The Ikuby's 3/8-inch offset extension wrench is a versatile, impact-ready tool ideal for tight and hard-to-reach spaces. Made from durable high-carbon steel, it handles up to 55.3 foot-pounds, 75 Newton-meters of torque with minimal effort. Its flat head design and 0-degree swing arc allow easy access in small areas, while included 1/4-inch, 3/8-inch, and 1/2-inch square drive adapters ensure compatibility with various ratchets. Perfect for automotive repairs, furniture assembly, and mechanical tasks, it delivers precision, efficiency, and reliability in one compact tool. The 7-tour 14-inch 4K Android Car TV headrest monitor offers an immersive rear seat entertainment experience. Running Android 13, it supports Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and phone wireless mirror link for seamless streaming from YouTube, Netflix, Disney+, and more. Its high-definition IPS touchscreen with a resolution of 2240 by 1400 delivers smooth, clear visuals. Compatible with over 98% of car models, it features HDMI, USB, and micro SD ports, dual power adapters, and high-quality audio options, making it perfect for long drives and in-car entertainment. The KJOY USB 5-volt LED sign is a versatile and eye-catching display perfect for cars, stores, parties, and events. Measuring 14.6 by 3.6 inches, it features flexible, programmable scrolling text, patterns, and animations, all customizable via a Bluetooth-connected app. Its low-heat, touch-safe design works well with electric vehicles. The IP65 waterproof surface allows easy installation on glass, while multiple language options expand its usability. With music mode and creative customization, it transforms any setting into an engaging visual experience. The battery terminal and wiper arm puller tool is a heavy-duty, professional-grade solution for automotive repair. Made from 45 number carbon steel with heat-treated, corrosion-resistant jaws, it ensures durability and long-lasting performance. This dual-purpose tool safely removes battery terminal clamps without damaging the posts and easily detaches bolted-on windshield wiper arms. With a jaw opening from 1/16 inch to 1 1/16 inches, it fits most applications. Its secure clamping and rotating mechanism make wiper arm removal quick, precise, and damage-free. The Ardinsko Car Coating Thickness Meter is an essential tool for used car buyers, accurately measuring paint thickness on steel and aluminum surfaces. Its advanced auto-detection technology quickly identifies ferrous and non-ferrous substrates, making it easy to spot previous repairs or hidden damages. This versatile meter is also useful for powder coatings, anodized aluminum, and other metal applications. With consistent, reliable readings and a 3-year replacement warranty, it helps save money by ensuring the vehicle's paint integrity before purchase.